Hi, I'm Ben from Comm Systems. Today we're looking at the exciting new Icom IC SAT100 handheld satellite two-way radio. Now these guys operate on the Iridium satellite network, which as we know is far superior in terms of satellite mobile phone coverage networks. But now we can utilise two-way radio services on the Iridium network. At the moment, the Icom satellite radios are only available as this handheld version, but in the coming months there will be a vehicle-mounted solution. These are going to be a complete game changer for remote area operations, for mining operations, drilling and exploration. It means that all of your staff, anywhere that they are in the world, can have full two-way radio coverage and the convenience of a radio system versus the cumbersome operation of dialing satellite numbers and the like. These radios we can also interface into existing site traditional land mobile radio systems. We can interface them into telephone services, a whole host of things along with the available Icom interfacing options. How do they work, you might ask? Well, they're fairly straightforward. We'll go into depth talking about some of the talk group options and that are available, but essentially for the end user they operate just like a regular two-way radio. So if I wanted to call my handheld there, which is obviously the vast distance of 2 feet away, not a great demonstration, but it'll give you an idea of what they're like to operate. So we can basically just press push to talk, check 1, 2, radio test, and you can see there's virtually no delay in the signal. There's no dialing numbers, there's nothing like that. So for your field operations, people can be in instantaneous contact to pass quick, simple messages, as well as the way that the network operates for this. There's no airtime charges. You pay a simple monthly fee based upon your talk group that you wish to select and how many radios that you want to have connected onto your system. There's no per minute or per hour charges for utilising this. So we'll have a little bit of a look at the talk group options now.
Here we are in the Iridium PTT command center. As you can see, we've got one talk group enabled here, our Comm Systems talk group, with a rough overview of where that talk group is set to cover. So we can select that talk group, and as you can see, we've got our talk group as one large contiguous circle. There are a couple of options in terms of the different sizes of talk group that you can have. We have the medium talk group selected here, which is about 310 kilometers radius. Within this single talk group, we can obviously change it around. So at the moment, we've got our talk group set at 300,000 square kilometers. If we just wanted to change the areas where we're operating, so we had a small little operation in around Kalgoorlie there, we've only used a portion of our 300,000 kilometer talk group. So we can save that region, we'll zoom in and we'll create another area. So again, if we had a particular, maybe a mine site or area that we wanted to cover, maybe around Menzies there for example, or we can, at any stage we can move this. We have the flexibility to actually break up that talk group into just covering the areas we wanted. So another example could be for a lot of operations, they will require someone maybe at Perth to be monitoring a radio, but then we can select an area and say we're operating around Warburton. We can then go and utilise the remainder of our talk group area around Warburton, but you're not restricted. You can draw polygons, you can draw boxes, you can do all manner of things to select where you want your talk group. Now, in terms of the actual radios, we can see the devices that are registered under our command center there. We've got 5 devices at the moment and only the one talk group. But we then go into and select that talk group and we can see what devices are in there. So we can simply add and subtract devices in and out of different talk groups. So again, you might have an exploration team, you might have an emergency services team, and it can be remotely enabled and disabled for those devices to talk and operate across various talk groups and areas. So as requirements change, it's very flexible and it's very easy. Now the talk groups do vary in cost. The radios have a standard monthly fee, but it's all quite reasonable for the service and the coverage and options that are available. So if you'd like any further information on the Icom IC SAT100 satellite two-way radios, contact us here at Comm Systems and we can help you set up a solution that will best suit your operation. Thank you.